Hi everyone, I'm Whitley, and today I'm going to show you how I packed for my semester-long study abroad program. First, we'll start with our checked baggage, and I'm going to explain to you how I made a capsule wardrobe for my 5 months abroad. To start, you're going to want 3 basic pairs of pants. I chose a dark wash pair of denim, light wash pair of denim, and a black pair of slacks. I like denim just because you don't have to wash it every day, and it's durable, can be dressed up or down, and I know that all 3 of these pants will go with every shirt that I pack. Next thing I do is lay out my t-shirts underneath my pants just to help me visualize the wardrobe and make sure everything goes together. Here I chose 6 basic and versatile t-shirts or blouses that I knew could be mixed or matched with each pair of pants. Then, with my bases moved out of the way, I pick out layering items. Here I have a long sleeve t-shirt, 2 different knit sweaters, and a cardigan. For pajamas, I pack a pair of leggings, a pair of lightweight shorts, and 2 comfortable t-shirts. Then I fold it all up and put it in one half of my checked bag. For shoes, I packed 2 basic pairs of boots and a pair of sneakers. And to take advantage of all available space, I stuffed my socks inside my boots. I kept it light with accessories, packing only a belt, a scarf, a small purse, and my favorite baseball hat. And it's done, with room to spare. Next is the carry-on. Here's where you're going to want to keep all your personal essential items that you want on hand with you at all times. In my carry-on, I like to pack a sweatshirt in case the plane is cold, a small toiletries bag, remember, keep it light, you can buy stuff abroad, my laptop charger, a rechargeable battery, and my camera. On the next side, I keep anything I need within quick and easy reach, such as my medication, a neck pillow, and my dog. And my overhead bin bag is done. Then I move on to my handbag that goes underneath my airplane seat. Here I like to keep my headphones, my phone charger, an appropriate outlet adapter for whatever country you're traveling to, a journal, my wallet, a good book, and of course, your passport. And now you're all set to go abroad. Happy travels! Bye!